the worst brainwashing done to Hindus by the modern civilization, the greatest conscious damage done to Hindus is brainwashing Hindus to stop in the level of choices and the understanding choices are freedom. Possibilities from your consciousness is freedom, not probabilities of your mind. Listen carefully. Due to my extreme love for each one of you, my absolute love for each one of you, I am revealing this royal secret. Understand? This is the secret behind all the secrets. Listen to this truth. It is directly from Paramashiva, from Kailasa. Your consciousness. If you are in the human body and you are able to hear what I am talking and you are able to make meaning, if you are able to cognize, your consciousness is capable of printing anything you want, just like 3D printers. In 3D printers, nowadays, even the homes, they started doing 3D printing. Full homes are getting 3D printed. Listen carefully. Just like 3D printer, how you can print anything you want out of the 3D printer and take it out. You can print anything you want. You can manufacture anything you want. You can manifest anything you want out of your consciousness. This possibility is freedom. Oh Hindus, one of the worst thing happened to you is not Islamic invasion or Christian British colonization. All those are two small problems. The biggest problem is, due to centuries of slaveries, you forgot, you lost confidence in conscious printing technology, conscious manifesting technology. Hey, our ancestors are not fools to build such large size temples. They are not fools. Don't be brainwashed by those who colonized you, those who conquered you, those who raped your ancestors, those who looted your civilization, those who enslaved you, and those who killed you brutally by creating artificial famines just to break your confidence. Don't be brainwashed by them. Listen. At least last 3 centuries, extreme efforts are put to break this one science. Oh Hindus, I tell you, the moment you lost this science, You are no more a royal civilization. You became mediocre. This is the worst thing done, not just to Hindus, to the whole humanity. Because if the Hindus lost the science, humanity has lost it. Conscious 3D printing science is true. Our temples are created to teach you this science. Last 300 years, continuously by brutally attacking every Hindu who reminds this truth to the other Hindus, were brutally dealt, massacred, destroyed. The science was destroyed with such large amount of brutality and energy. Hindus lost faith, or lost even cognizing the possibility of conscious 3D printing science. Listen carefully. All possibilities can be just like that, printed out of your consciousness and taken out. Probabilities are from your mind. Possibilities are from your consciousness. Modern civilization wants human beings to be mediocre. Only then you can be exploited, ruled, controlled, enslaved, managed, manipulated. Last 300 years of brutal attack on Hindus. O Hindus, you have lost the confidence on this conscious possibility. The worst thing happened to Hindus is not just Islamic invasion or Christian colonization. That is too small problem, but they made you mediocre. They literally castrated you by making you believe choices are freedom, probabilities are life. Hey, oh Hindus, realize this conscious 3D printing science, this conscious manifesting science, Hindus losing that science is not just loss for Hindus, it's a loss for the whole humanity. Because each civilization has mastered one field of knowledge. Hey, Hindus, listen. This is the field of knowledge you have mastered. If you lost that, you have lost everything for which your ancestors gave their life. Your ancestors did not make great roads, railway tracks. They made great temples. It means this conscious 3D printing technology is the science our civilization has mastered. Whether Jati system, Varna system, ashrama system, everything we had, temples, rituals, yoga, just as simple as morning taking cold water shower. From that simple instruction to the greatest Nirvikalpa Samadhi, sitting unclutched, the highest initiation, everything was focused on this conscious 3D printing technology. Whether the Nirahara Samyama, Nitya Yoga, Nitya Puja, any technology Hindus developed, the only purpose is conscious 3D printing, conscious manifesting of possibilities. This technology, just for this only, our whole civilization spent all its energy. Understand, the cream of our civilization, the intelligence, expertise, our time, treasure, talent, everything was collectively spent on developing this conscious 3D printing technology. Then all your ancestors, the great Hindu civilization, developed this science. I am having it in my hand, but I don't have copyright. It's for all of you to enjoy. Paramashiva gave it to me to give it to all of you. I will teach you step by step. First, remove this idea, the probabilities are life. Remove this mediocre idea, choices are freedom. Consciously manifesting all your possibilities are freedom, not choices in front of you.